Hey there friends, it's Cathy from Robin Floral Refinishing. I have a project for you today as part of the Paint Couture creative team. I picked up this little table at an online auction and I have a really cute little makeover for this. The first thing, as always, that I like to do is give it a good clean. I use TSP cleaner. I just put it in a spray bottle and wipe the whole thing down. Then I'm going to sand it. This is just one of the spongy sandpaper blocks. It's the equivalent to 120 to 150. I use the sponge just so I could get around all the little curves and stuff on the spindles. Makes it easier. And I'm just going to wipe it with a kind of a damp cloth, microfiber cloth. Now I'm going to be putting a decoupage paper on the top, so I want to lighten that top up. And I'm going to use Farmhouse Linen just because it's a nice light color, just so that my decoupage paper really pops. This is one of Paint Couture's mineral paints. It has a primer built right into it. So I didn't put a primer on this, but because it's a dark wood color, I did end up putting 3 coats. But you'll be able to see by the second coat, it has great coverage. And you'll also be able to see I'm not just putting that farmhouse linen on the top, I actually go down the spindles a little bit and then I'll be putting another color at the bottom. Now talk about a beautiful color. If you're a green lover, you must try this color. Vintage Moss is absolutely beautiful. It's just the perfect shade of like a gray green. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so here it is after the first coat. So that's looking good so far. Once that was dry, I went in for my second coat. And really you can see what great coverage that has with just 2 coats. And now a second coat of the vintage moss. I wanted to try to blend the two colors together. It was a bit of a challenge, but I just put the Farmhouse Linen on the top, the vintage moss at the bottom, sprayed it with a little bit of water, and then used kind of a dry neutral brush and I was just rubbing back and forth. That was the first coat that you saw, um, but it ended up working out pretty good. Now I'm going to use the Decoupage medium. This was in a matte finish to put my decoupage paper on. So what I'm doing here is I just covered the whole surface with the decoupage medium. And when it was completely covered, I put my decoupage paper on. This is a fiber paper from Redesign with Prima. It's actually very easy to decoupage with. And so you'll see I just put it on and I'm smoothing it out with my hands just very gently. Now I'm using a piece of saran wrap, plastic wrap, and I'm just very lightly going over the surface. And once that was affixed, I used more of the decoupage medium just to go over the top. And once that was all dry, I used sandpaper and just gently went around the edges to get rid of that excess. I thought I recorded it, but I didn't for some reason. I'm not sure, but now I want to bling it out a little bit. So I'm going to use the French Gold Heavy Metal Metallic. The sun was shining in the window, so you'll be able to see how beautifully shimmery this metallic is. I wasn't sure how much of the spindle I wanted to do, so I just kept going until I had it where I liked it. I'm going in for the second coat now. Look at how beautiful that is. Now I do want to protect that decoupage paper. I'm going to go in with some Extreme Guard in a satin finish and just put a few coats on top just for that ultimate protection. Just a reminder how we started. Cute little table, probably suitable for somebody, but we made it look a little bit cuter. Oh, it looks so good. Thank you so much for joining me here today. As always, the link to the Paint Couture products will be listed down below. Please like, subscribe, comment, all the things, and we'll see you next time.